In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change playback speed on YouTube. Adjusting the playback speed is a simple trick that can save you a lot of time or help you slow things down when you really want to understand what's happening in a video. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. You can just type youtube.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to your main YouTube dashboard, where you'll see the home feed with recommended videos, subscriptions, and any other content based on your viewing history. Next, choose a video you want to watch. You can click on one from your homepage, search for something specific using the search bar at the top, or open a video from your subscriptions. Once you've found the video you want, click on it so it starts playing in the main video player. Now, look towards the bottom of the video player. You'll see a row of controls that includes the play and pause button, the timeline, volume, subtitles, and some other icons. Among these, find the small gear icon, which represents settings. It's usually located toward the right-hand side of the control bar. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings menu for this video. When the settings menu opens, you'll see a list of options such as quality, subtitles, and so on. One of these options is called playback speed. This is the setting that controls how fast or slow the video plays. Click on playback speed to open the list of available speeds. You'll now see several speed options. Typically, 1.0 is the normal speed. If you want to watch the video a bit faster, you can choose 1.25, 1.5, 2.0, or even 3.0, depending on what YouTube offers for that video. For example, 1.25 is just slightly faster, but still very easy to follow, while 2.0 or 3.0 will make the video move much more quickly. On the other hand, if you need to slow things down, you can choose a lower speed like 0.75 or 0.5 when those are available. After you click on your preferred speed, the menu will close and the video will continue playing at the new speed immediately. If it feels too fast or too slow, just open the settings again and adjust until it's comfortable for you. That's all you need to do to change the playback speed on YouTube.